This is Hank. He's just found out how Access Online can save him hours each day not having to do needless data entry into his QuickBooks Online company file. Before Hank discovered Access Online, he was struggling to import transaction and list data into QuickBooks. He was having to convert files into the correct format, spending time editing, or just having to redo complex mappings meant he was having trouble keeping up. Access Online is the simpler and smarter way to import data into QuickBooks Online. Once set up, it takes 2 steps to select a saved map and process larger batches of data into QuickBooks, making those data import jobs a breeze. You can save maps, which means you spend less time and effort having to set it up each time you need to import. You can import a much wider range of transaction and list types. And with powerful data formatting features like constant values and search and replace functions, Access Online is the solution to solve your most complex data import requirements. It's also the cloud version of the award-winning QuickBooks desktop import utility Z-Access, which has helped tens of thousands of companies to solve their data import issues. With a simple annual subscription which suits the amount of data you need to import so you only pay for what you need, it works with as many company files as you need for no extra fee. So why not join Hank and sign up for a trial to discover how Access can solve even the trickiest data import challenges.